to my channel. I promised y'all a flip through before, well, this is heading to its new owner, and y'all will see this after the new owner, the winner of the drawing, after she gets it. But I know many of y'all were excited. Couldn't have been more excited than me. This was, I'm so in love with this journal. So in love with it. These are made with all of my prints, Romantic Roses print and Pink Laces prints. Romantic Roses prints and Pink Laces prints. First, let's show some appreciation for all of this. Can y'all, yeah. Oh my goodness. It is overflowing. It is beyond chunky. Y'all saw I had it tied down and it's still, I mean, all right. We flip it open. Got a really pretty little sparkly snippet here. Postcard with a wax seal, a tag, and little pocket in a pocket that I made. You can open that up and write in that actually. On a cute little heart. And I just love this little, this is actually from my Pink Lace ephemera kit. It is separate from my Pink Lace kit. And I just thought that turned out so pretty. And I love the pockets, and it's lined with the cutest little polka dot fabric. And how cute is that little bow? Oh my goodness. All right. Prints. Now this is from my lace kit. It's just my lace kit, not Pink Lace. This paper is from my lace kit. This is one of the originals, but you can find this in my Etsy shop as well. These papers, these stenciled papers. Here I've made a pocket. Got a little snippet over here. Some pretty shimmeries and so sparkly. This is a flip out journal cards. Oh, I think that is so pretty. Even the backs I did with lace just to make certain every single thing is beautiful and to make sure it was just as beautiful from the front. Made a little tag. This is butterflies made from my ephemera kit, and these butterflies, this one is from my Romantic Roses. So pretty. All right, y'all. I have a hard time remembering which kits are what, and it takes me a minute sometimes. Some collaging. A big, huge tag. Ugh, gush, 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 beautiful. If she is not happy with this that she won, we're going to have to, no, better not say that on the internet. But it has to do with toilet paper and house. I'm totally joking, but y'all, I put so much love into this, and just that collaging on the back of this flip out bag. I mean, I think it is just so beautiful. Again, you can find these prints in my shop. Whole pieces, of course. I've torn these because that's what I like. I made a lace pocket with a cute little lace tag. Little drapies and another tag. I think that's just adorable. Too cute. Too cute. Here is a snippet with one of my dangles on it, and I need to get a picture of that. I need to make more of these. That is just too cute. And I love that crown. I made this from some of my papers. And in here, got that. Little snippet piece. We've got this little pocket. Little postcard. The postcards, which you can't see it very well because I have it so collaged, but the postcards, you can also find those as a separate kit in my Etsy shop. And some little Romantic Roses stamps that are in there. And then that's the bottom of the little surprise bag. Got a little belly band here with a little snippet tag. Another one of those little cute little stamps. Just a little place where she could journal some if she wanted to. And then some, I think that's just beautiful. A lace digital with real laces on top. And a piece from my Romantic Roses kit up there. I think that's just adorable. There we go. I'm in love with this journal. Another postcard that I have. Put a bunch of snippet pieces on. So this is a bunch of, well, not a bunch, it's 2 pockets. And then here is a, this was a piece of my digital that I turned into a pocket from one of my postcard pieces. And I've got it embellished with a gorgeous applique, some sequins, some ribbon. I mean, just how cute is that? How cute is that? So cute. Okay. It's a little embellished paper clip. Adorable. Adorable. Too stinking cute. And it's holding on this little embellished, it's a teeny tiny little folder that she could use to write in or just to look at, because that, I mean, look at that. That is just cute. I love it. A little tea bag piece. Sorry, y'all. I think I'm losing my voice. I don't know what's up. Another pocket made with some lace. Another one of those postcards. A really pretty tag from my Romantic Roses kit. And another tag with snippet pieces. And over here, I just wanted this page I wanted the very last page to be special too. And I've got a snippet here and just a bunch of my little stamps lined up, collaged there. And of course, just dangles and lace throughout. I hope that I was able to convey that and y'all could see that as I went through it. All right, y'all, I hope that y'all enjoyed that. I might have to make one of these for me at some point. I don't know when. But anyway, until next time, we'll talk later. Bye.